In this video, what to look for when replacing this battery, as well as a step-by-step battery replacement and what to expect after installation. But first, you'll need to open the bonnet, and because you can never find these latches, I'm showing you where they are. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal. If you're new to this sort of thing, just pause this video and tap the link on the screen for some general guidelines when changing any car battery. These terminals proved quite a challenge to remove. This often happens when the lead posts deform to the shape of the terminal. Just extend the terminals with a screwdriver to make a removal easier. Next, remove the positive terminal. We can now remove the hold-down bracket safely with these two nuts here. This is the easy part, out with the old and in with the new. What's important here is the height of the battery to fit the hold-down bracket, so I'll provide some specs a bit later in the video. For now, secure the hold-down bracket and then connect the positive terminal. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Careful not to over-tighten these terminals, as the threads can strip quite easily. Tighten it just enough until the terminal can't be moved by hand anymore. Then connect the negative terminal last. As far as specs go, you'll need a battery around 40 amp hours, but as mentioned earlier, check that the height is close to 190 millimeters to get as close to the original as possible. There were no warning lights on startup, and the only thing you'll need to do is set the date and time. Just press the config button on the radio and use the right control knob to adjust. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.